Hello and welcome to another demo of the Solo theme. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Solo theme. And today we are going to talk about the social icon features. So we have here by default when you install the theme, you will have the option, we go to setting, you will have the option to enable or disable uh, these ones. So by default, you have it active and you get more options with this theme. So you know how you could replace these also with yours, but email was added. It didn't exist before. So this is the icon. You could add it or just leave it. When the user click open up the whatever email they're using to send an email. And the other option you have here, the default is the icon. This is the size of the icon, and uh, you get by default. But you have two other options. You could make the medium or large. So if I click this one, and I'm going to wait and then refresh the page to show you the different areas. So these are now the biggest size. The second option you have in this region. And what other thing we have? So we have here, and I also really the social media links, they took some attention from me, and I I really picked up the links, the icons. I made sure that they're all circled, follow the same pattern, and they're all follow the same thing, like how they constructed exactly. And not only that, and they've been customized to customize to match with the theme, with the color scheme theme, and also you can change the color of them. So here another option you have. So if you want to change the color, if you don't like any color or the one they're set and you want to change them, and I'm waiting and then I'm gonna refresh. There is. So the colors are changed and you get that. So this is the second option. And beside that, in the color scheme, when you go to, if you pick any different color scheme, I have it on the demo side, like this, for example, or this. Let's pick this one. There is. So here you see there are different colors. They follow the theme or the color scheme you have. And this is some custom work and it's been added specific to match each theme. But also you could override this one because it's all variable and it's been set. And if you set the other one, it will take over from this one. So this feature, it's a new and a solo theme. I hope you like it. See you in the next one.